What if I told you I backtested a free TradingView strategy 100 times and in the next few minutes, I'm giving you the entire thing step by step. Alright, first things first, let's get our setup right. This is where you follow along. Go ahead and open the TradingView.com. The beauty of this breakout trading strategy is that it works on almost any chart. So if you are into Forex trading, crypto like Bitcoin, stocks, or even commodities, you're covered. Now, let's talk about the best time frame for this strategy. You can use it for scalping on 1 minute, but for this specific day trading strategy, I found the sweet spot is the 5 minute and the 15-minute chart. That's where we get clear signals without too much market noise. For this example, I'm going to set it to Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. You got it? Good. Alright, let's add the first of our 2 free TradingView indicators. Now listen closely. You cannot use this indicator by itself. If you do, you get chopped up and lose money. It's a foundation, but it's absolutely need our second indicator for confirmation, which I'll show you in just a minute. The first indicator is called the ADX Combined Strategy IP. To get it, go into the top of the TradingView chart and click Indicators. In the search bar, type in ADX Combined Strategy IP. Click that first one, bam, it's on your chart. You see it automatically draws these horizontal lines. These are your swing highs and lows, critical support and resistance levels. This indicator does the hard work of finding them for you. Now this part is mission critical. We're not using the default settings ever. This is how we get our edge. Open the settings, onto the inputs tab, change the left bar and right bar to 21. Trust me on this. It filters out the weak signals and make these levels way more reliable. Now run down this list with me. Volume 33. ATR period 14. Key value 5. And DI 18. And the big one, length 200. Make sure the source is set to close. One of the last thing on the style tab, uncheck buy and sell signals and break. We want a clean chart for our technical analysis, not a bunch of noise. So is our chart ready? Nope. Trading with just those lines is still gambling. We need to confirm the trend and fill the momentum. This is where we bring in our second weapon. We need a way to confirm our breakouts. And for that, we're going to use one of the best free TradingView indicators of all time, but with a twist, the MACD. Go back to indicators and add the standard MACD. Now, we're going to tune this MACD to be a pure momentum machine. In the settings under the Style tab, change the histogram to area and pick some clean colors. Then, and this is key, uncheck the MACD and signal lines. We only want the histogram area. Now, for the inputs tab, this right here, this is the secret sauce. We're on the 5-minute chart, but we're setting our MACD's time frame to 15 minutes. This gives our 5-minute chart a look into the future by showing us the momentum from a higher time frame. Then crank the fast length to 100 and the slow length up to 200. Alright, our chart is set up and looking clean. So if you're getting value so far, do me a huge favor and tap the like button. It tells YouTube we're doing something right. Now, how do we trade this? Here are the exact rules for a buy trade. It's a simple 2-step checklist. Rule number 1, the breakout. We wait for the candle to physically break and close above one of those resistance lines. No close, no trade. Rule number 2, the confirmation. The moment it closes above the line, you look down at your MACD. You must see a big green area on the histogram. This is our momentum confirmation. It tells us there's a real power behind the move. If you have the breakout and the green MACD, that's your entry signal. You execute the buy trade. Your stop loss goes just below the recent swing low, and you can use the ATR line for a more dynamic stop. For your take profit, aim for a simple 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. You risk $100 to make $200. It's a clean and effective exit strategy. And for sell trade, it's the exact same logic, just inverted. You need a candle to break and close below a support line, and you need to see that drops a red area on the MACD confirming bearish momentum. It's that simple. Breakout, confirmation, trade.